Pav, when you get bored drawing the same flower. Try this instead. First, draw the big and small dot circles. Then, start adding the first row petals. Continue with the second row petals. Then, make a small round dot shape and darken it. Add another line to the second dot row petals. Then, draw the leaves like this. Now, you can erase the unneeded dot line. And here you go, a beautiful dot flower. If you suck at watercolor game, try this. First, create a circle of watercolor with different color. Let it dry and start doodling in flower shape. Tips number 1: to always create 2 lines in every petals. You can do various type of flower that you want. It doesn't have to be perfect because flower comes in any form. Just trust the process and enjoy the drawing. This type of painting can also help release your stress. This is my go-to drawing whenever I'm having a bad day. Darken the stems and draw the leaves. It's almost done. You can do this. Comment down below on how it turns out for you. Easy doodle to draw when you're bored.